Hi, Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 3008. This particular one is a GT line with a 1.5 130 brake horsepower Blue HDI diesel with the E88 automatic gearbox. Now this car is in ultimate red pearlescent and was registered 2018 on a 68 plate, actually October 2018 on a 68 plate. It's done just over 6,200 miles and is a one owner car. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to come and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. I hope